Science Academy, the science provider of the nation.
Let's do another question in distance and displacement. This is another type of question which always repeat. So there's a person A and who is moving to B, and again he is moving to C, and then he is returning in the same path. He is returning in the same path. So what is he doing? He is moving in path A, then from B to C, and then he is returning from C to B. He is again here. So from A to B it is 10 kilometer. From B to C 5 kilometer. So if I ask you, so what he is doing? A person is moving from A to B and from B to C and returning from C to B. So if I ask you what is the distance he travelled, distance the person travelled is the length of moving path, that is 10 plus 5 again 5. So altogether it is 20 kilometer, the length what he travelled, that is the distance he travelled. But if I ask you what is the displacement, let's consider this is the upper court is the north. If I ask you what is the displacement he did, in displacement you should understand that displacement is the length between initial and final point. So what is the initial point? A. What is the final point? Is it C or B? It is B. Why? He is moving from A to B and B to C and returning to B again. So therefore the final point of him is B. So the displacement should be the starting point and the ending point, the distance, the straight shortest length between it. So it is none other than displacement is 10 kilometer. Why? Here the A and B 10 kilometer. What is the direction? Initially he was here, finally he is here. So the direction is that side. Always understand, direction is east. This is a type of question. What is repeat? Right. Let's say another example. A person starting from A and moving to B, going to C again. So he is starting from A, moving to B and going to C again. And from C he is returning to D. He is crossing all B, A and returning to D. Now, if I ask you, so the upper direction is north. If I ask you, so it is happening in the straight line. Okay? So I can't draw it in the same because it will be confused. That's why I have drawn in a parallel line. It is happening in the same path. He is starting here, going somewhere there and returning and going back. That's happening actually. So here, if I ask you what is the distance travelled? What is the distance travelled? So just calculate the length of moving path. What is the length of moving path? 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 10 kilometer. Altogether 5 plus 3 plus 10, 18 kilometer. That is the length of moving path. If I ask you what is the displacement? Displacement. Here's something to use. Think. Displacement. There's something to think. That is none other than. What is the initial point? The initial point is A. What is the final point? The final point is D. Now here the A is and here the D. You all know that 5, 3, 8. And if it is the returning is 10, here it should be 2 kilometer. So the displacement is 2 kilometer. Okay? So then it's 2 kilometer. But what is the direction of displacement? Here the initial and here the final. It is west. The direction is changing. Okay? So initial point A, B, C and then D. Here the direction is west. Distance is 18. No direction. We didn't because it's distance, scale only. But whenever you come to displacement, you should narrate the direction, that is 2 kilometer west. Let's think of another equation, another question. There's a ball. A person is throwing a ball vertically upward. is throwing the ball vertically upward. So as you all know, if you throw it very perfectly vertically upward, it go and reach the maximum height. At the maximum height, it will come to rest. First, initially when you throw up, initially the speed will be high, but whenever it go up, the velocity will be reduced at the top, at the very top. The velocity will be zero, the speed. It will come to rest. We'll study what is speed and velocity in next lectures. So, here it will be at rest and then it will return back to the initial point. So, when this ball threw the ball up, it went a 10 meter height. It went a 10 meter height. So the question, what is this? So it is the up portion is let's say it is north. Okay, up is north. So if I ask you, what is the distance the ball traveled? This is the initial point. Whenever it reached the initial hand, whenever it returned to the hand, the final point also the same. Going up and coming to the same position where it started. You know, just think, imagine whenever you throw a ball upward, whenever it come back to your hand, the initial and the final point are the same, not changing. So here, it started here, went up and came down. If you think of the length of moving path, 10 meter up, 10 meter down, altogether length is how much? The distance is 20 meter. But if they ask you the displacement, now there is an issue. It started at this point and returned to the same point. Is there any change of position? No, it is at the same point. Therefore, the displacement is zero. So, very simple question.
Science Academy, the science provider of the nation.